Now remember kids, do not try any of the experiments you're about to see at home.
That's right. We are untrained professionals and we have a combined experience of umpteen years.
On this episode of Chem-Busters, we will be experimenting with combustion. With us today we have Sam Ellis and Chatterby.
Now how's a couple of kids supposed to get their hands on a combustion chamber?
Well, we built a potato cannon. Why a potato cannon, you might ask? Well, we have a combustion chamber right here. Projectile flowing out. The bigger the combustion, the farther the object flies. Now here's how the design is. We start with a 4-inch thread cap and plug, which is attached to a 6-inch long, 4-inch wide PVC pipe. We also connect it to a 4-inch to 4-inch T with a 45-degree angle 2-inch cap and plug. We attach it to another 6-inch long PVC pipe 4 inches in length and attach it to a 4-inch female to female connector. Now inside that connector we put a 4-inch to 2-inch reducer. We add in a 3-foot long 2-inch PVC pipe as our barrel. And last but not least, our source of ignition, a grill lighter. Now let's talk about how this design works. At the very bottom we unscrew the cannon and we insert 3, 5, or 7 seconds of our chemicals into the back depending on what we're testing. After ignited, inside the combustion chamber, if the chemical is combustible, it will combust, causing a mini explosion, so to speak, inside the chamber, pushing the projectile, which has an airtight seal around the barrel, outwards.
For this experiment, our hypothesis was, if an ignition source via a spark is introduced into the chemical SD alcohol, which is common in all the sprays, then all the sprays will ignite and burn at a steady flame, except for right guard, which does not have SD alcohol in it. If the chemical SD alcohol is the flammable part in each spray, then the right guard spray will not ignite.
We're going to test each one of our household items against Aquanet to see which goes the farthest. Our first shot, Aquanet. We'll be putting 3 seconds of Aquanet spray into our chamber and seeing the distance of it. We'll be using this measuring stick to measure the far distance of where the pill bottle will shoot. Here are tests for 3 seconds, 5 seconds, and 7 seconds, commencing now. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Back up and firing. Wait.
Hold tight.
66 feet.
Alright, next one.
Now we have a 5-second spray.
Next one. Right here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Putting in. Launching. Right, for 3 seconds, we got 66 feet. For 5 seconds, just a 2-second increase, not even double the increase, we had 220 feet.
This time, 7 seconds of Aquanet hairspray. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We don't expect the gun to survive this.
Got it. The next chemical we'll be using, right guard.
3 seconds.
3 seconds, here we go.
1, 2, 3. Cap it off. Lower. Firing.
Our hypothesis was rejected. When we launched the potato with right guard, the potato actually went 157 feet.
Right guard, 5 seconds. Down, fire. What we have found is that right guard is too potent of a chemical, and when putting over the designated amount of 3 seconds, coated the sides and did not have a good ratio of air to chemical to actually ignite. So, right guard, combustible, yes.
at 3
only
seconds.
3 seconds only.
Now these are your test results. For Aquanet hairspray, 3 seconds, 65 feet. 5 seconds, 220 feet. 7 seconds, 315 feet. Right guard, 97 feet on 3 seconds. At 5 seconds, it would not combust. There was too much chemical. The air to chemical ratio was not the same. It was not good enough for a launch. Same thing with Glade. They had a 19-foot shot with 3 seconds, but did not shoot with 7 seconds and 5 seconds. Axe. It was not It's not combustible with a spark, but it's very combustible with a flame. It did not want to ignite on 5 seconds, but it did ignite with 7 seconds and went 105 feet. Our final chemical, odor eater, went 190 feet on 3 seconds of spray. It did not want to shoot 5 and did not want to shoot 7 seconds. So same reasons as Right Guard and Glade. Now for a special, we're going to take our best. Aquanet hairspray, which went 315 feet on 7 seconds of spray, and we're going to put it in there for 12 seconds.
Here we go, 12 seconds. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.